Yo, what is up YouTube? It is Max Wallington from Force Feed'em Bowfishing, and today we're going to be unboxing a new DJI drone and reconnecting it to controls. Let's get it. Boom. So first of all, you might be asking, what is a DJI drone? Well, and hell, you might not even know I had a drone because I destroyed it immediately. Well, not destroyed, but crashed it. Oh yeah. And we're trying to take some videos and nothing crazy, and it was right before the spawn happened. And I was just getting some videos, and I did not get the right drone. I actually got the DJI Mini, just Mini. I needed to get the Mini Pro because what the Mini Pro does versus not the Mini Pro is it has like a little thing where you can target what you want to see. So like if you want to lock on to say this box, you could lock it on there and just follow it around. Anyway, you have to do that by hand with this drone. So I was on the sticks really giving it to her. And anyway, while I was just looking at here, it ran directly into a tree, as you can see below, as you can see now. But we tried to give it a fix, and we could not fix it, and so finally just broke in and sent it to DJI. And it looks like, I can't tell, but do you think this is a new drone or a refurbished drone? It is like unboxing a new drone though, I will say that. Feels good. Ooh. Nice and pretty. Nice and pretty, yes indeed. Yeah, I don't know if this is the drone that comes like new in a box, because it doesn't come with a battery, but it does come with a new guard and a new lens, because I did lose the lens during the event. So anyway, this is it. New DJI drone, and it looks exactly like a brand new drone. So I will be planning to use this a lot more this year and not crash it. And if I do crash it, I will post it earlier and let you know how long this lasted. So if you have any guess, drop it in comments down below. But we're going for 2 years on this one right here. So let's get it connected. Alright, so we're back and we got the drone to connect. And it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is tap this, turn it on. Same with this. And there will be a button down at the bottom right, and you click it and it'll go through the whole guide to get it started. What they don't tell you is that you need to have Wi-Fi, and when I got it all connected, everything was just like all confusing. You have to scroll down and click on the Wi-Fi symbol. You might know that, I did not, but we got the drone connected. For some reason we only have like 3 GPS signals, so it's not working very good right now, but I think it will be working later. I would take it outside, but it's raining. But no, that's really exciting. Got the drone back in work. So check yeah. Boom. Next thing we're gonna talk about real quick is winter hours. And I know it's about that time of the year, and it's when we all are trying to get out there and go bow fishing. And so we will be open from Tuesday to Saturday, from 2 to 6 p.m. We're going to get more and more of this good stuff in, just like these mega mounds right here. And come check us out. For the whole month of February, we will be open from Tuesday from 2 to 6 p.m. Boom! And lastly, what we're here to talk about a little bit, I guess, is we will be attending the NWTF Convention in Nashville this year. Very excited. It will be this next week, February 12th through the 15th. That'll be a Saturday, that will be a Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And we got a couple stuff here to stock up for this event. Got some more stickers. Got to get the stickers out, the phone stickers here. These are probably my favorite stickers we got so far. And hopefully we're going to be coming out with some more this year. Oh yeah. The truck stickers. But no, we will be attending NWTF and we'll be running with the big dogs, so to say, you know. We will actually be on the same roll as Yeti, Gator Waders. Rig 'em Right will be right next to us. There's a bunch of big dogs, and I know the NWTF is more of a turkey thing, but I think bowfishing and turkey are go together like peanut butter and jelly. You know, when one isn't working, you do the other. And it's just that beautiful time of spring, you know, when you just want to be outdoors. But no, I'm trying to convert some turkey lovers into some bowfishing lovers. And if you're at the NWTF, please come check us out. We'll be at booth number 233. That is 233. So come get some stickers. Oh, another thing I got to show you for NWTF. This is new for me. Oh yeah. Gotta get your stickers and you gotta get your Force Feed'em business card. Yes, sir. And it's nothing crazy, you know, it's just a little information people always ask for. We got a QR code that goes to our website with all kinds of links that we're going to start doing, you know, for the YouTube. Some giveaways we're going to be doing, and exciting. It's going to be an exciting year. I'm excited for 2025. We got all this good stuff coming in. We got our Force Feed'em lights, our Force Feed'em bags, business cards, stickers. You know, we're just getting revved up for the year. But remember, if you're at NWTF, please come check us out. You know, we're not going to have the best booth there, but we want to meet everybody, you know, especially if we haven't met you, you know. There's all kind of people that follow us on Instagram and TikTok and order through us, but don't know us. So come make that connection, and we'd love to hear about your story. And until then, keep Force Feed'em, and we'll have this is a new thing I'm trying to do, a little monthly update, nothing crazy. But, you know, we got the new drone connecting it, trying to get fired up for these videos. Stickers for everybody. But I'm excited. So, yeah, hopefully we'll do another one of these videos in March. So, till then, Tuesday through Saturday, 2 to 6, we'll be here. Thank you much. Oh, no, one more thing. If y'all know any tournaments the last 2 weekends of February, because NWTF is not this weekend, but next. And then after that, if there's any tournaments anywhere, drop them down, tell us about it. We'd love to show up if you think we'd like to meet us, or just have a little competition. You know, we'd love to do a little icebreaker somewhere. Down south, the better. But if y'all got some up north, let us know. Appreciate it. Till then, keep force feeding them.